Lina Jadi. My topic is blockchain and cybersecurity. Are two critical areas in modern technology address different but sometimes overlapping and concerns. Blockchain is a decentralized, distributed ledger technology that allows data to be stored across a network of computers in a way that makes it resistant to tampering and fraud. It works by organizing data into blocks that are linked together in a chain.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. I am Trisha S. Hawari and my topic is about the key features. Number 1, decentralization. There is no central authority like a bank or government controlling the blockchain. It maintained by a network of nodes computers. Number 2, transparency. Transactions are visible to all participants in the network, enhancing accountability. Number 3, security. Blockchain uses cryptographic techniques to ensure that the data is secure and cannot be altered retroactively. Number 4, immutability. Once data is recorded on a blockchain, it cannot be changed or erased, providing a permanent record.
Assalamualaikum, I am Bin Laden Jumdail. The topic, what is cybersecurity? Cybersecurity involves protecting computer system network in data inform malicious attacks, damage or authorizes access. It covers version practice technology in processes designed to safeguard digital assets.
Assalamualaikum, I'm Jim Arjanadin and I'm going to discuss the key areas of cybersecurity. So there are 6 key areas of cybersecurity. First is network security, protecting network from intrusion, malware, and unauthorized access. So it's about protecting the network from unauthorized access. Second is application security, ensuring that software and application are secure from vulnerabilities and threats. It's about ensuring that software and application are secured. Third is data security, protecting sensitive data from unauthorized access or breaches, often involving encryption. Fourth is identity and access management, controlling user access to system and ensuring that only authorized user can only access certain resources. Fifth is incident response and recovery, preparing for and responding to security breaches or cyber attacks. Lastly, end user training, educating individuals on security best practice to prevent phishing attacks, weak passwords, and other risks.
Assalamualaikum and good morning. I am Ilaji Jemalit L. I'm going to discuss my topic, overlap between blockchain and cybersecurity. Enhanced security, blockchain's cryptography nature provide an added layer of security, making it harder for hacker to manipulate or alter transaction data. It can be used to improve cybersecurity in areas such as identity verification, security booting, system and transaction integrity. Data integrity, blockchain ensures that the data stored within it cannot be tampered with, which complements cybersecurity effort to protect data from unauthorized channels.